Hey there, it's Alex, and the holiday season is just around the corner. That means that there will be a ton of incredible deals to get the perfect gift for that special someone, or to be honest with you, you'll probably be getting the gift for yourself. I want to show you in this video why this camera should be at the top of your wish list. This right here is the Insta 360 Go 3S, the smallest 4K action camera on the market. Insta 360 has been one of my go-to brands for a while, and for good reason. They innovate like no other. Today we'll be diving into why this small powerhouse could change the way you capture the world. One of the most impressive features that makes this camera stand out is the magnetic mounting system. The camera itself detaches from its base, giving you endless creative possibilities. You can stick it to any magnetic surface, clip it to your shirt, or use the included magnetic pendant for unique POV shots. And even if there's no metal around, Insta360 thought of everything. Accessories like the pivot stand with reusable adhesive let you mount this thing virtually anywhere. For content creators such as myself, this freedom opens up a whole new world. Imagine strapping this onto your car for dynamic driving shots like I did right here, or attaching it even to your dog's collar for playful pet perspective, or even capturing impossible angles on your next adventure. Back when I had a GoPro years ago, framing a shot without a screen was a huge struggle, but having a 2.2-inch flip touchscreen levels up the user experience and gives an edge to the creativity. The display is super responsive and makes navigating the settings or framing your shot incredibly easy. When you detach the camera from the action pod, the pod itself doubles as a monitor. It is so intuitive. You see exactly what your camera sees, no guessing, no fuss. I can just get the shot and keep on going. The Go 3S is IPX8 waterproof up to 33 feet, but that's just for the camera itself. When you dock it in the action pod, it's rated for IPX4, which is for splash resistant. So please keep that in mind if you're planning your next wild water adventure. This will be able to handle stuff like snorkeling, or even your regular poolside activity, or just some splash from the water on a regular day. This thing still has you covered. But because it is so tiny, losing the Go 3S could be a real concern. Luckily, it works with Apple's Find My feature. I just paired it through the Find My app, and I could play a song or use the directions to locate the camera. Well, that's if I misplace it, and to be honest, that's even a real thoughtful feature. Out of the box, Insta360 hooks you up with all of the essentials. You've got a magnetic pendant, perfect for hands-free POV shots that I've always loved when I saw people use them over social media. There's also a mini tripod and a pivot stand with an adhesive base that works wonders for getting unique angles. I have used the reusable adhesive to mount on the outside of my car, and I got some really cool shots. And that's another thing that I love about action camera, the freedom that it allows you to do creative stuff like this. And if you're not convinced as yet, take a look at these different shooting modes. Alright, so this is at the mega view, and this is the ultra view. So we're looking at the footage from ultra view coming out of this, and this is the D-warp. So we're looking at footage from D-warp coming out of this. Quite narrow. So this is the narrow. It looks a little bit narrow. Let me bring it close to me. Footage goes in and out, and let me tell you, the LCD on this is quite bright. Not too much to say here about the video quality. The footage really speaks for itself. Crisp 4K resolution, vibrant colors, and smooth stabilization. And as for the audio, it is surprisingly clear coming from a camera like this. But if you don't believe me, take a listen to the audio for yourself. Alright, so I'm testing out the microphone on this. In the back right there, there's some like people talking, there's a bunch of folks, and on the right side there's like a car. I could hear a car passing by, and there's some kids playing soccer on the field. And I'm actually using the first mode. I'll have it up on the screen, and let's just hear how the microphone sounds on this. Let's see if it reduces the wind, because right now there's a lot of wind blowing, but let's just hear how the audio sounds on this. Whether you're vlogging or even capturing the ambient sounds around you, this small action camera does an impressively good job. What makes it even better is the seamless editing experience. With the Insta360 app, you can easily transfer footage to your phone and edit on the go. Thanks to this flexibility with portrait and landscape modes, creating content for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, or even YouTube Short is a breeze. You could literally shoot, edit, and upload your next viral post in a record time. If you'd like to see a video of how I use the Insta360 app to edit my videos, let me know in the comments section below, and I'll be sure to push out a video showing you guys just that. And there you have it, the Insta360 Go 3S, a powerhouse for content creators. If you've liked this video and you've actually made it this far, leave a like, and as always, share your thoughts in the comment section below. I am super excited. I'll be taking this on my trip to Jamaica in the next coming months, so please subscribe to look out for the new content that I will be dropping. And if I didn't mention, the links to this item will be in the description down below. As always, peace out, God bless, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.